Hi my lovelies, I'm Becca. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Since this is my second YouTube video, I decided it was just perfect timing to do something similar to the Get to Know Me tag. So today I'm going to be answering some questions that I thought were just perfect to introduce myself. If you happen to have more questions for me, please let me know. So now let's get started. What is your middle name? My middle name is Alejandra. Are you named after anyone? Yes, I'm named after my mom. How old are you? I'm 28 years old, and actually my birthday is coming up pretty soon on October 30th. Are you married or single? I have a boyfriend and we've been together for almost 10 years. Do you have any pets? I do have a 7-year-old Chihuahua. His name is Coco. Tea or coffee? Definitely coffee, but sometimes I do drink tea as well. What is your favorite book? My favorite book at the minute, I'd say it's You're a Badass by Jen Sincero. I really like this book because it's very motivational and empowering, so I definitely recommend you reading it. What is your favorite color? I don't really have a favorite color. I used to love pink, but I'd say nowadays I'm more into like earth tones. Scary movies or happy endings? Definitely scary movies. Right now I'm like super excited for the Halloween movie, which is coming out I think on mid-October. Although my boyfriend doesn't like scary movies, but I make him watch them with me. So yeah, I definitely love scary movies. Do you speak any different languages? Yes, I do. I speak Spanish and some French as well. What is your favorite food? I love pizza. That's my favorite food. Definitely. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Katie Snooks and Bella Fiore. I think that's how you pronounce her last name, Fiore. What are some of your favorite TV shows? I'd say Criminal Minds and NCIS. Those two are my favorite ones. PC or Mac? Definitely Mac, since I use my computer mostly for editing pictures or now videos. Favorite holiday? I love Christmas. I just love the decoration, the weather, traditions. Yep, Christmas, it's my favorite holiday. Well, those are all the questions. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting more content soon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.